Tired of jobs that are draining your energy with these non-stop Zoom calls, these meetings, and talking to strangers all day? Maybe you just work better at night when the house is finally quiet. But every remote job still expects you to work a 9 to 5 schedule. I got you. In this video, I'll be sharing with you several real work from home jobs with no phone calls, no long, lengthy meetings, and little to no experience required. What's up, money makers? Welcome back to this channel. If you're new here, my name is Diamond Chanel, and here we talk about all things money. And these money makers like to thrive and not just survive. With that being said, we don't do long intros here. I have researched and found several work at home jobs that you can be doing at night that will not require you to have to speak to other people or be in these long meetings or any of that for whatever reason that you just prefer not to do so. So let's start with something that you could do from your bed with just your headphones and a laptop. Rev.com. Rev pays you to turn audio into text, so there's no meetings, there's no clients. Just pick a file, transcribe it, and submit it. Now here's the pay. You're looking at 40 cents to 75 cents per audio minute, which will roughly turn out to be about $10 to $18 per hour. Now they pay weekly via PayPal, and this is going to be perfect for quiet nights and solo work. All you need to do is sign up, pass a grammar test, and start typing. On to number 2. I have to show y'all this. I just cannot gatekeep this tool any longer. It's something that I've been using that's basically giving me money every time I shop. It's called ShopBack. I literally get anywhere between 5 and 20% cash back just for doing my regular online shopping, like my Target runs, my Amazon buys, and even from my DoorDash orders. You can use it as a browser extension or simply download the app. ShopBack works with over 1,500 stores. It's free to use, and this is all real cash, not just points. Actual money that you could withdraw through PayPal.
ShopBack even offers shipping rebates exclusively on the browser extension to offset your shipping fees. You can even earn extra cash of up to $40 to $200 just by playing games on their app.
And you even get an extra $20 just for signing up. I've even seen people talk about how they were able to get free flights just from their ShopBack cash rewards. I know my smart money makers are going to go over to the link in my description or use the code DIAMOND, and they're going to start getting some cash back rewards today, plus $20 just for signing up. Let's talk about this company called Telus International AI. They hire part-time evaluators to rate search results and social media ads, basically used to help improve AI systems. As far as the pay, you're looking at anywhere from $12 to $14 per hour, and that is going to be the US rates. So this is an international company, and they have a bunch of other different jobs that are available as well. Work whenever you want, up to 20 hours per week, and this job is available globally. You only need to pass an initial qualification test. Now let's go on to number 3. And that is a website called ClickWorker. So it's perfect if you want the freedom to log in and log out. You'll do tiny tasks like surveys, data entry, and short writing gigs. The pay ranges anywhere from $10 to $15 per hour, which is going to be realistic for fast workers. Everything is completely self-paced. There's no interviews. You just need to create an account, pass a quick assessment, and it's made for you to be able to do this at any time of the day. So if you're working at night, this is for you. Now let's talk about number 4. This is going to be a website and a company called Mod Squad. Mod Squad contracts moderators to manage forums, support chats, and social media posts. The pay is ranging from $13 to $19 per hour, depending on the project. They have flexible shifts available, even ones that are overnight. And they work with really big clients, especially in the gaming and e-commerce industries, many of which need some night owl coverage. We are blowing through these. If you could do me one favor and just give this video a like, and if you're someone that's always looking for ways to make money and you want to thrive and not just survive, go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Also, leave me an emoji that best describes you in the comment section. This is a fun little challenge that we do here. My money makers love it, and it gives me a chance to interact with as many of you as possible. Now let's jump into job number 6. This is a company called Appen. Appen lets you do small tasks like image labeling, search evaluations, and short data jobs. The pay ranges from $14 to $20 per hour, depending on the project. There are global opportunities and they are beginner friendly. Website number 7. This one is called We Localize. We Localize is great if you're bilingual or you have any type of writing skills. They offer freelance gigs like translation, transcriptions, and search evaluations. So they pay anywhere from $14 to $30 per hour, depending on your skill level and the complexity of the project. Now let's get into website number 8. This one is called Data Annotations. Data Annotations Tech pays freelancers to help improve AI systems. So what you'll be doing is categorizing content or label data, kind of like teaching AI how to understand human input. The pay goes up to $20 per hour. There's no experience needed. You just need to pass a quick exam. Let's go on to website number 9, which is great for any of you who are students or was a student. StudyPool pays you to answer students' homework questions. So there's no phone calls. Everything is done completely through a chat box. Pay does vary, and the average is going to be somewhere around $10 per hour. So obviously this is not something that you would do full time, but if you need a little extra cash and you have a little extra time, this is something that you should consider. According to StudyPool, they say that they have top earners who are making up to $7,000 per month. Now, I'm not sure how realistic that will be for each person, but this is a good way for you to end up making some money while everybody else is sleeping, because you can be tutoring people who are all the way across the world. So it might be morning for them and night for you. Then we have websites like Fiverr or Upwork. If you want some long-term income, platforms like Fiverr and Upwork let you sell services like writing, editing, or graphic design. You get to set your own hours and rates. You can choose to communicate only through messaging and avoid clients who ask for phone calls, because all of this is basically like you running your own business, so you don't have to have phone calls if you don't want to. There really is no set pay for what you could be making on Fiverr, but if I had to give an average, I would say you're making anywhere from $10 to $50 per hour, but there are people that are making $150 an hour, $200 an hour, just based off of your skill level, your experience level. But this is something that anyone can do. And I really love this one because I have paid many people on Fiverr. 3 out of 5 of my staff team have been with me anywhere from 5 to 3 years. But I've also worked with a lot of freelancers on Fiverr where maybe we only work together for a month or 3 months. It is absolutely true that you could be working and find long-term clientele where you could really be securing your own income and starting your own freelance business strictly online. Let me know in the comment section, would you try any of these jobs? And also, what are you looking for right now? Are you just looking for a way to earn extra cash? Are you looking for gig work? Are you looking for things that you could do only from home to replace your 9 to 5 right now? Let me know in the comment section below. I would love just to know a little bit more about you. If you need more ways to make money, always check that description box because there are some gems there. And also you can check the pinned comment. And don't forget to start intentionally shopping online so that you can start getting paid for shopping with ShopBack. Okay guys, I'll see you all in the next one.